We are now inside the corridor or inside the airport terminal here in Thiruvananthapuram, where each passenger coming out from the flight, they will have to take this whole route across this corridor from the aero bridge. They will have to walk all across this route. And also you can see here, we have this the markings which are made on the ground which ensure social distancing. These markings are being made at exactly 1.5 meter distance, if I'm not wrong. So this will ensure that people who are standing in the queue can actually wait here, wait for their turn. Even when they're walking, they can maintain this distance. And what is most significant is the kind of arrangements that are being made at Thiruvananthapuram. This device that you see in your screen right now is actually a thermal detection camera. This will ensure that the people who are coming can be screened for their running temperatures without any human contact. So this device will actually check each passenger who is walking or who is even standing here to check for their body temperature, and my camera person will now show you the output this camera will be giving. Now, as you can see in that frame, I am now standing in front of this camera. You have two split screens on your screen, where you can see one normal vision, one normal output, which is showing my temperature on the top, and also on the smaller window, there you can see my thermal image. It is actually detecting my body temperature, my temperature on my forehead, and it is actually suggesting that if this particular person is in a safe running temperature, then he can proceed for the next level. Next level in the sense they can proceed out, they can go through the other formalities. But if this is a person who is standing in front of the camera, I will just show you how this whole system works. Assuming that I'm a passenger who is coming out of the flight, I'm just walking across over here. I'm just crossing this mark, and when I reach this mark, I can just wait here for a second. This camera will show the body temperature. This will show my temperature at the moment. And if I'm having a higher temperature, then I will have to proceed to the isolation bay. And if not, I can safely continue for the rest of the formalities and clear out into the city. But even then, you will have to go through a mandatory 14-day institutional quarantine, and only then you can go back home. With camera person Tinku Rajshekharan, Gopi Krishnan, Thiruvananthapuram for India Today.